Hola Steve, saluton, kiel vi fartas? Anyway, it looks like YouTube was not letting me post new comments to your video, so I'm trying a video response instead. I wanted to let you know that I started a new blog, kinesics.paulinobrenner.com, and I'll put the link in the description. This blog is to share and document ideas, thoughts, findings, research, on the connection between language and movement, which is the focus of a new performance that I am developing. And there are a couple of projects there. Project A, it's for people to answer the question, what is the connection between language and movement? And I would be very interested in your opinions or your ideas about that. Project B is about making a video, so I don't know if you feel inspired, you might try that out. But I'm curious about what are your thoughts on the connection between language and movement. So I hope you get a chance to respond to that. Hasta luego. Gracias.